Welcome back, guys. This beautiful Friday morning. It's going to be a hot one today. Don't worry, we got some exciting content. Not that this one isn't going to be exciting to somebody, but we got some real exciting content happening today. Some square bodies are going to arrive that are going to make you just be right darn excited. So anyway, 2015 Toyota Tacoma. This is a great all-around truck for somebody. Came from a large fleet company. Maintenance is perfect. 4 fresh Firestone Destination all-terrain tires. Of course, Toyota has the factory-style built-in bed liner with storage. One of the cleanest interiors you could ask for, and we have not had a chance to even do anything to this truck. We will detail it up before it leaves. Rear seats, 106,000 miles. The only light on is because it needs fuel. No other check engine lights, no trouble codes. Power windows, power door locks, tilt, cruise, convenience controls, traction control, power mirrors, twist dial 4x4, touchscreen stereo, little overhead console. And these back doors do open. Little jump seats in the back. This is an absolute perfect all-around run-around truck for a contractor. Also a great truck for a first-time driver or just an all-around good commuter. And it is a beautiful blank canvas for a lift kit, wheels and tires. Leveling kit would look awesome. Tires and wheels would not be too expensive. Davis Off-Road can definitely hook up whatever upgrades you want to do on that. V6 Toyota Tacoma, 2015. The newer body style design. No faults, no flaws. Little nick, little ding here and there, but nothing that's even going to show up on this video because it's clean. Top to bottom, inside and out. Fresh service, fresh inspection. Truck does not need a single thing. As you hear running, does not have the common manifold tick or noise, and all of its services would have been on time. This fleet company is very particular. Obviously it has had a detail. We have not done the detail yet, but we will get on top of it with our nook and cranny detail job that we do. But it's not bad. Thank you guys for watching. This one is available, as well as all the other 300 vehicles that are in stock. Another one from the same company right there. That's a crew cab Chevrolet with the V6. In stock, ready to go, guys. Thanks for watching. Davis Drives on YouTube, Davis Auto Sales.